Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I am Harmeet and today we are diving into the topic that literally everyone wants to know about passive income ideas in 2025. And yes, most of these require no investment at all. Now I am not going to throw you with this overused rent your car or buy real estate ideas. Instead, we are going to talk about side hustles and digital assets, the kind that you can start building from your bedroom with just a smartphone or a laptop. So, sit back, relax, and let me take you on a story driven journey where I will show you 7 of the best passive income sources in 2025 through the eyes of everyday people just like you. Let's begin with story number 1. Number 1 is blogging without a website. Let me introduce you to Ria. Ria is a 24-year-old college student from Ludhiana. She loved writing about skincare, fashion, and budget friendly hacks. But she had no money to buy a domain or build a fancy blog. So, what did she do? She started writing blogs on medium.com and Quora Spaces. These platforms already have millions of users, so she didn't have to spend anything on the traffic. Now you guys might be wondering, how did she made any passive income? Ria monetized through Medium's partner program. She started earning 15,000 to 20,000 per month just by writing 2 to 3 articles a week. Old articles can still bring her income while she is studying or sleeping. What lesson do we get? You don't need a website. You just need words and a little consistency. Second side hustle that we are going to discuss today is starting a faceless YouTube channel. Now meet Arjun. He is from Jaipur and was working in a call center during the day. At night, he started a faceless YouTube channel using just text to speech and stock footage. Now let's talk about his niche was top 10 facts, Bollywood controversies, and motivational quotes in Hindi. He downloaded stock videos from free websites using tools like Canva, CapCut, InVideo, and uploaded one video every day. In 6 months, his channel hit 10,000 subscribers. How did he earn passively? Once monetized, his videos brought in 25 to 30,000 per month using YouTube AdSense. He just used AI tools and ChatGPT to generate script. What's the lesson that we get here? You don't need your face. You just need content and consistency. Now let's talk about the third side hustle. Selling ebooks on Amazon KDP. Let's talk about Pooja from Delhi. She had a lot of knowledge about parenting as she was a new mom. Instead of just sharing tips in WhatsApp groups, she wrote a short ebook titled 101 Parenting Hacks for New Indian Moms. She published it free on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, which is known as KDP. In just 3 weeks, her book made it to the top 100 in its category. Now let's talk about her income. She earned around 40,000 in the first 3 months, and even after a year she still gets passive royalty checks every month. What's the lesson that we learned from this topic? You don't need to be an author. Just solve someone's problem with your own words. Now let's move on to the fourth side hustle. Create a digital product once and earn forever. Now this story is about Ravi from Pune. Ravi was a photographer. He wasn't making much during the lockdown, so he recorded a simple 1 hour course on how to click DSLR like photos on your mobile. He uploaded it on Gumroad and Instamojo, platforms that host and sell digital products. He used his smartphone to record and edit everything. No fancy lights, no fancy mic, just solid value. Within 4 months, he had sold over 500 copies of the course at 300 rupees each. That's nearly 1.5 lakh rupees without running any ads. What's the lesson that we get? Your skills are worth something if you package them well. Now let's talk about the fifth side hustle, selling AI generated art and posters. Now let's meet Neha. Neha is a 20-year-old design student from Chandigarh. She started playing with AI tools like Midjourney and Canva AI to create aesthetic digital posters. She opened a shop on Etsy and also promoted them on Instagram. Posters with quotes like Manifest Magic or Boss Babe Energy were loved by the international buyers. In just 2 months, she made over 70,000 rupees just by selling downloadable posters. No inventory, no shipping, just uploads. What's the lesson that we get from her story? Digital creativity plus AI is equals to passive gold mine. Now let's move on to the sixth side hustle, which is affiliate marketing via WhatsApp and Telegram. Faizan from Hyderabad had a Telegram group with just 500 members. He just started sharing discount deals, online courses, and Amazon product using his affiliate link. Let's talk about the story of Faizan. Faizan is from Hyderabad and had a Telegram group with just 500 members. He started sharing discount deals, online courses, and Amazon products using his affiliate links. He joined platforms like EarnKaro, Impact, and Amazon Associates India. Whenever someone bought something using his link, he earned a commission. Within a few months, his group grew to 5,000 members and he started earning 20,000 to 30,000 per month passively. He also made pre-scheduled posts, so even while he was at his delivery job, income was rolling in. What's the lesson that we learn from this story? You don't need to be an influencer. Just be useful to a small community. Now let's move on to the seventh and the last side hustle. Built a newsletter on Substack. Now let's hear the story of Shreya. Shreya is from Bangalore and loves creating financial news. Instead of starting a blog, she launched a free weekly newsletter on Substack called Finance Friday. Each week, she shared a bite sized news, investing tips, and links to free tools. As her subscriber base grew, she started offering a paid subscription tier at 200 rupees per month. Just 300 paying subscribers gave her a monthly passive income of 60,000 rupees. What's the lesson we learn from Shreya's story? People pay for curation, not just information. Now let's wrap up. Which one will you start? Now, you have heard 7 powerful stories of real people making passive income in 2025 without big investments, without big teams, and of course, without excuses. Now, let's recap. First one was blog on Medium and Quora. Second one was Faceless YouTube channel. Third one was Amazon KDP ebooks. Fourth one was Gumroad courses. Fifth one AI poster sales. Sixth one Telegram affiliate marketing. And seventh one is Substack newsletter. None of these require more than a smartphone, internet, and your willingness to learn and take action. So tell me in the comments which one of these will you try first. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit like and share it with a friend who needs passive income. And subscribe for more real and relatable money making ideas. Until next time, keep hustling smart, not hard.